everyone, I'm Maria, and today we have a very festive holiday craft that you can make for that someone special or to take to your holiday party.
Hi, I'm Ellen. We will show you step by step how to make it, and all of the items that we've used are in the description box below. So how about we get started?
So here's all the items that I used. I have the original recipe in the description box below, but I tweaked it a little bit. My family doesn't like coconut, so couldn't put that in there. But your family does, huh, Elle?
Oh, they do, definitely. At least half of them. And so the other half don't have to eat them.
There you go.
And there they are, all waiting to be cooked.
So while those are in the oven, you can go ahead and start getting all the other supplies together. So when they are done, it'll be easy peasy.
Yeah, and you just let them cool, and then you can go ahead and put your gift together. And it's such a cute idea. And it's kind of hard at this time of year to think of a lot of things, you know, different gifts, and that's what's so much fun to be able to come up with different ones for all of you.
Well, I know when I made them, they were a real hit in my family.
Well, I know you were telling me that. You're like, they're already gone. I'm like, they're gone? Oh my gosh. It's like, wow. It's like, okay, it's a good thing I know how to make them. Let's make some more. Oh, that looks so cute. I love that sign.
Yeah, my daughter already informed me that I'm making them for her holiday party.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. You already got some orders in and everything.
Right. But it'll be fun. We'll do it together. That's always fun making stuff with her.
Oh, that'll be cool. What's so nice is that you can kind of do all this while those are cooking. And oh, they look awesome.
They were really good.
Really, really festive.
So these pails I had gotten at the dollar spot at Target. I've had them for a long time. So when you guys see something and you're not necessarily thinking, oh, what can I do with it? Just, you know, if it's a great price, get it, because you will be able to use it somewhere down the road. I want to say I got these pails like 2 years ago.
Oh my gosh. Little did you know what a great craft it would be. Oh, that's so cute. I love that ribbon. Oh my gosh.
That's cute, isn't it?
It is. It looks really cute with the cupcake cups with the red.
Yeah, and I thought it went well with the sign too.
Yeah. And how cool for you to be able to find a bag. That's not an easy thing. A lot of times you just find wrap, but that's really cool.
Yeah, it was a little bit. It was a little bit bigger than I wanted, but I just taped it in the back.
And then you put whatever you want on top. If you have a little, you know, some kind of holly like this, or you can find any kind of like little, even flower or something.
And if you guys can't find a pail, or you find one that you like but it's just not the right color, go ahead and paint it. You can make it look silver.
Or do the galvanized steel, like on some of the other crafts that we've done. And
exactly.
It gives it a really neat look. And then to be able to kind of increase your options.
Exactly.
Things. And this one, and you'll see what we end up putting inside this one is quite the bonus. Being able to use it as a decoration in your bathroom.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. It's you know, just keep thinking outside the box. What can I do with the things that I have?
Right. And I like that old pail look, so that's why I did it on this one. But you don't have to. You can do it any way you want to.
Yeah, see, there's your bathroom decoration. It's so cute. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And please share with your friends and family.
Make sure that you subscribe also so you don't miss out on our next video. And here's a preview for our next craft video. So make sure you click that notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching.
Until next time, bye.